Hi, Pageant Trend supporters and followers. I'm Leo Marbilog and I am the president and founder of Fitness 8 Gym, the official partner of Reina Filipinas.
Yeah, so congratulations for the successful partnership of
Thank
Reina
you.
Filipinas.
Thank you
Sir
po.
Leo. So I just want to ask what made you decide to partners with Reina Filipinas since this is the very first time national pageant in the Philippines.
Yes po. Of course, Sir Jojo Baragais, Mr. Jojo Baragais, being the president po, with his credibility, hindi mapagkakaila po na mapagkakatiwalaan talaga yung name or tatak Sir Jojo. So, with his vision po sa Reina Filipinas, align kasi siya dito sa vision mismo ni Fitness 8, which is holistic approach. Sa holistic approach kasi dito sa gym, we basically cater not just physical aspect, kundi yung emotional, financial, and yung totality po mismo ng mga clients ng gym. And nakita ko po with Reina Filipinas, hindi lang sila after the pageant, kundi beyond nung grand finals, they basically support the candidates.
First time niyo po ba makipag-partner sa mga pageant?
Yes po. Kasi si Jim po, sir, 1 year pa lang siya. Nung this is our first year anniversary. Last June, nag-anniversary po si Jim. So basically po, first time po natin makipag-partner sa pageant.
Ano po ba yung magiging role ng Fitness 8 sa Reina Filipinas Organization?
With Fitness 8 po, basically, with our partnership sa Reina Filipinas, we have given them membership and personal coaching sessions in preparation for their competition ngayong August 7.
Will you be awarding ba sa like Miss Fitness 8 sa Reina Filipinas?
At the moment po wala, but we focus on yung general aspect po mismo ng mga candidates para nga po sa holistic preparation nila.
Para sa iyo, gaano po kahalaga makipag-partners sa mga pageants kagaya ng business nyo na fitness?
Marami sa Fitness 8 po, basically yung niche sa demographics po namin, marami po talagang female clients ngayon yung nagje-gym. Hindi lang siya yung parang stereotyping na mga maskulado or mga masel-masel. But dito po sa Fitness 8, we focus on everyone. Plus, we encourage yung mga women po na maging physically active. Kasi minsan or madalas, nasi-stereotype yung mga babae na nasa bahay lang. Pero with Fitness 8 po, we encourage po yung strength and empowerment ng mga kababaihan.
We have a lot of fitness business dito sa Pilipinas. Ano po yung pinagkaiba nila?
With Fitness 8 po, meron tayong tinatawag na arcade equipment. Tayo lang po yung may arcade equipment sa pagkakaalam ko po dito sa buong Pilipinas, and we are 24/7. Nag-start lang po tayo June last year and we already expanded po nung November last year as well. So hopefully po magkaroon tayo ng more branches to come, faster po yung growth natin, and makatulong po tayo sa maraming mga clients na gustong maging physically fit and yung mga ibang aspects pa po nila.
How many fitness coaches do you have?
We do have 9 fitness coaches po at the moment, and lahat po sila basically pasok po sa core principles na meron po si Fitness 8, which is being respectful, being approachable, pagkakaroon ng malasakit sa mga clients, and of course trustworthy coaches po with the credentials that they have.
Ano po yung pinaka-the best na equipment nyo dito? Or equipments and as well as programs na ino-offer nyo sa mga clients?
Actually po, lahat naman ng mga programs, best naman talaga siya at saka tailored siya para sa needs ng client. So like for example, depende sa nagiging goal, meron tayong iba't ibang programs na fit talaga for them. Kaya kung may best program po, I think nakadepende po yun sa kung ano yung kailangan ng client.
Ayun, thank you so much. And where can they contact you just in case may mga interested na mag-pa-member dito sa Fitness 8?
Yes po. Basically, we have 2 pages po sa Facebook. We have Fitness 8 Quezon Avenue and we also have Fitness 8 University Belt. Sa IG naman po, we have Fitness 8 PH and we have Fitness 8 U-Belt. And if you wanna see or check more po ng mga services ng Fitness 8, meron po tayong official website which is fitness8.ph.
Alright, one last thing na lang po, your message to all Reina Filipinas candidates.
Sa Reina Filipinas candidates, I would want to tell you na sobrang gagaling ninyo and sobrang wow yung first edition ng Reina Filipinas. Good luck sa darating na grand finale sa August 7 and may the best Reina win.
Thank you so much, Sir Leo, and it's nice to see you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. Salamat po.